What's going on, everybody? So today I decided I was going to take the day off from vlogging and just go and appreciate this. And I mean, look at this. It's absolutely breathtaking. I mean, the exposure doesn't do it justice, but holy shit, you would not believe like the amount of peace there is up here. It's so quiet, it's so beautiful. But I wanted to start this vlog off with this just because I wanted to give a little background information as to why I didn't vlog yesterday, because I know I'm spending 7 days total out here. Today, we got something a little special coming up involving the Grand Canyon, so I'll just let the rest of the vlog play out, but enjoy. That was fucking awesome. Well, guys, that was probably one of the best experiences I've had in Arizona so far, if not the country, if not my life, because I've never been in a helicopter. But now we're going to the Hoover Dam and then Vegas. It's a travel day today. I had to make a stop at In-N-Out. I mean, I never, ever have them because I never travel all the way out to the West Coast very often, so it's exciting. Oh my god, In-N-Out, so fucking good. All I got was a regular hamburger, and it was still amazing. I'm chilling in the car right now. We are about an hour and a half from the Hoover Dam. We've already been on the road for about 2.5 hours. It's been a very long drive, but you know what? I can't wait to go see the Hoover Dam because the Colorado River is beautiful, and I saw it all the way up there, up in Page, so it's time to go see it on the Nevada side.
Wishing on a star to fall.